have to ban plastic bag flying around. You see? You see? Why Malaysia always flooded? You know the reason why? No? This is the reason.